Let's talk about self care today. I know prioritizing self care might sound like common sense, but it's often the first thing that gets neglected when we find ourselves in challenging situations. Some days it might be difficult to just get your bed made, and just doing that is self care. Self care is what you do to keep yourself healthy, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Physically, I like to take care of areas in my body that I neglect on a regular basis. For example, my dry heels. I love taking out a little bit of time and using this personal device to take care of my feet. I also like to use the Biluma advanced cream for sensitive areas. This has ingredients that helps even out the skin tones in my underarm and inner thighs. The ingredients are really soothing and have gentle exfoliation in them. It keeps your sensitive areas like your underarm or your inner thighs glowing, radiant, and healthy looking. Physically, I also like to take care of my body after a workout using this foam roller, which is, I think, the best purchase I've ever made for my physical self. I mean, it just relaxes all of my muscles, especially when they are sore and just stretching isn't enough. I also bought this 1 liter bottle that keeps me motivated because it has motivational quotes in it and has a sipper. So this actually makes me drink more water than I used to. I at least drink 3 to 4 liters of water now easily. Also remember, the more active you are, the more water you can drink. Also, lastly, I like to treat myself, and especially on days when you need a pick me up, this is my go to. This is made with a whole roasted coffee bean that's coated with dark chocolate, and this just wakes me up. These are what I do for my self care. Dig deep and understand what your needs are and work on them. And I really hope that this video helps you out with it.